For each value of u, determine whether it is a solution to u minus 42 equals 12. Okay. So first of all, this has a singular solution. And before I fill out anything, I'm going to show you what I mean. U minus 42 equals 12. I can actually solve for this equation. Or you could probably figure this out without even solving the equation this way, but I can solve for this by doing the reverse of subtraction. So anytime we're trying to isolate a variable, we look at the value on the same side of it. We look at the relationship between these two. 42 is being subtracted from u. Therefore, we're going to add 42 to both sides. And by the way, this is a negative 42 because of that minus sign. So the only way to do the opposite and get it to 0 is to add a positive 42. These guys cancel out. Now we have u equals 54. And there's only one answer. So there's only one of these that can be correct, and that's here. The rest all have to be no.